All right, once you get the flywheel hung up, get that hand tight. Come on over here, disengage your drive, rotate your little spindle lock. Once that's locked in, just give that a little snug. Make sure it doesn't go anywhere. Don't forget to take that out. Re-engage that, and our table should be good to go. All right, now the flywheel's tight. Pull the shield up, stop any debris or spray. You can turn the table on, turn the grinder on, turn the hydraulic drive on. Hydraulic drive controls your left-right travel, the speed of which is controlled. You dial it in with these valves. Bring a stone into contact. Normally we would turn on the coolant, but seeing as how we're getting ready to ship this one out, it's just full of air right now. Just making a light pass here just to show how it's working. You'll want to set your stops so that you don't run into your center bolt when your travel reaches full length. But for now, I'm going to back this out, run it back the other way. Turn off the grinder, turn off the table. And we made a pass on the flywheel.